our bilateral ties continue to deepen and broaden, and it's under our comprehensive partnership, and I really look forward to strengthening them further. Our bilateral trade has steadily increased over the past 5 years, nearly 10% annually. But I think we should
We can
work.
do better.
Yeah, we can do better. We should work.
Agree. I think so
We
too.
should work together.
Yeah, agree.
And on all those sectors, I think we are cooperating very well. But please, you can, yeah.
Well, Mr. President, can I say it's good to see you again, and
But can I just say also thank you very much for all your support on the ASEAN CSP upgrade.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.